Well, I was going to resistance test this compressor, fridge compressor. So I'm going to turn it on to resistance, insulation resistance, and I'll make sure it works fine. So I'm only testing at 250 volts. So it showed it's got good insulation resistance there. Clip them together, do another test. So there you go, short circuit, 0.00 megaohms. So I know this is working fine. So I'm going to connect it to one coil and the earth. So greater than 500 megaohms. So that one's good. You've got to do it to all three and test it. It's a bit slow today for some reason. So greater than 500 megaohms, no need to wait. And that is it, greater than 500 megaohms on every one. You can go up to 500 if you want. Test at 500. It's still testing at the minute. You test at 500 or 1000. I'm just going to stick to 250 though, so I don't cause any damage. So I know the windings on that are brilliant. Well, they ain't leaking to earth anyway.